Yeah.
These 2 rows and these 2 rows are new American.
Smell it?
Yeah. It's kind of good.
Here it's more intense because here only 65% cognac spirits. But there in those 3 tons barrels it's 40% cognac. So it's difference in smell and different production country of barrels, so it differs.
Yeah.
People are not needed here actually, so the one who is responsible, he comes here, opens this, pulls this pump, switches to the pipe, and the spirits are being transferred. 21 years ago they brought 4 or 5 our bottles of 5 years old.
So Americans didn't, yeah?
No, Americans didn't. And they were so happy with our cognac there in space that they decided to thank us by bringing back this exact bottle with the sticker. And you see,
I would never bring it back.
It's the same cognac, but the color is different. So some processes must have taken place there while it's been to space. So we have barrels from all over the world. French barrels, Portuguese barrels, but the majority of barrels is from France. The majority of the carton you will see it on the 2nd floor. After maturing in oak, we must make the blend. What is blending? So it's like mixing the spirits of
Different types.
Different age, yes, but the most important thing about our brandies is that if you drink, for example, 10 years old Divine Surprise, that means that the youngest spirit in the blend is 10 years, and we add 2 or 3 spirits older than 10 years. So it's usually like 10, 15, 20 mixed together. 80% will be 10, and something like 10, 5% will be maybe 13, 18, just to give this bouquet, this mellowness, this softness. So these are blending tanks. This is where we make it, the blend.
На всех этажах автоматически выдается температура.
На каждом пенше стабильный стопень температуры.
Да, обязательно при хранении.
Сколько?
Здесь у нас где-то 12,5-13.
Где 12-13.
Да, наверху у нас 14-15.
Горы
15 градусов, 15-15,5, так как там бычковая вытяжка идет. Вот выше подняли, то там хранение.
Very modern. Really high-tech.
Yes, to show to some special guests and just to have it. It's
Солнечный.
right.
And in Bulgaria, we have also Солнечный Breg. That's the name of the brand. But probably they copied from Russia or from Soviet Union.
Yeah, maybe.
Make sense.
Yeah, it was a long, long time when we started.
Sorry to interrupt you. Now is how it's called relaunch. Relaunch the Soviet Coca-Cola. The name is Baikal. If you remember.
Yeah, I remember.
So I've seen that in Moscow. I've seen that in other cities in Russia. Baikal. Because then Brezhnev seen the Coca-Cola and said, "What the fuck? We want to have the same." He just gave the bottle to engineers and he said, "Make the same liquid inside and put the nice name." And then that's how the brand in 70s, how the brand was developed. It was Me Too of Coca-Cola, Baikal. And now it's very trendy, like old school, yeah?
Wow, I didn't know. Something new to learn.
Because what is Coca-Cola? It's fake. I mean fake. It's industrial product. Baikal has let's say the soul.
Coca-Cola is
Brandy in Belgium. The name of the company is Sudico, if you know them. This is the cheap stuff, and we produce the private label for China.
Да, я правило, это в основном идут на подарки. То есть это не массовый продукт, который
Да.
они берут для этого самого. Там, допустим, есть у вас клиенты, которые берут там 10-20 бутылок, но они берут это сугубо на подарки.
Я
практически-
много продаю шампанское французское в Китае, а оно стоит там более чем $1000 за бутылку.
Ну, знаете как, честно говоря, мы там вот сколько раз уже были, я там, конечно, всегда удивляюсь этой стране, там водка.
For the tasting.
Professional actor.
Oh no, I was a teacher. For more, it's not a problem. But for real tasting, to discover the aroma, the bouquet, to enjoy
and the oxygen comes.
Yes.
Now
Now they make in tulips, so like tulip.
tulip shape.
Yeah, but we are, traditions and perfection. It's our logo, our motto. So we keep traditions, and this is traditional snifter for brandy. And I can pour more. It's not a problem, but it is as it should be.